bottom. When the camshaft rotates and pushes down on the tappet, almost all of the movement is transmitted to open the valve. A tiny amount of oil will leak out of the cylinder, but each time the tappet is released by the camshaft, the one-way valve will open again to allow the cylinder to be refilled so that the clearance between the camshaft and the valve is always set perfectly. Ideally, tappets need no maintenance, but it is possible for the part to fail. The most common symptom of a failed tappet is a ticking noise when the engine is running. This might happen because of increased wear between the cup and piston, allowing too much oil to leak out, or as a result of the one-way valve becoming stuck open, most commonly as a result of dirty oil. Replacing lifters can involve quite a lot of work, as many parts of the engine need to be dismantled to access these parts. If you have a noisy engine, your technician can perform checks to confirm the source.